Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So we have this question, 3 congruent rectangle. This question was proposed by my Twitter colleague called Rooney Shaka. We are supposed to find the angle of alpha. How can we solve this geometric puzzle? So let's consider the solution together. So from here we have 3 rectangles. They are congruent, which means they are of the same length. So now we can draw a diagonal from the red rectangle, that is from this side to this side. So we can draw the diagonal, and we can also draw a diagonal from this side to this side. That is what the blue rectangle. We know that the green rectangle to have a diagonal, since they are of the same, they are congruent rectangle, it means they are parallel to each other. So this blue rectangle diagonal is parallel to this green rectangle diagonal. So how can we find the angle here? How can we convince ourselves that this angle is 90? So we can, this one can be theta, and we know that we can represent this by what? Beta, right? So it means that theta plus beta is what? 90, because this side is already 90. And the sum of angle in a rectangle is what? 180 degrees. So theta plus beta should be 90. Okay. So they have the same what? Size or length, right? So if this side, so from here, what will be the angle here? So this side will already be what? Theta, because the sum of the angle so supposed to be what? Theta plus beta should supposed to be what? 90, right? So how can we find the angle here? Now, if this side is beta, this side will also be beta. And if this side is beta, this side is supposed to be what? Theta, because theta plus beta should be 90. Now, how can we, so if this side is theta, automatically this side is supposed to be what? Beta, because beta plus what? Theta is 90. So this side is what? Beta. So it means that the angle, that is what? Alpha plus beta is what? 90 degrees. Now, this diagonal have the same length. Because they are congruent, the length of this diagonal is the same as the length of this diagonal. And it crosses and there's a line from this side to this side. What does this show us? Since they have the same length, and also it is at 90 degrees, it means that this angle and this angle is supposed to be 45, because the sum of angle in a triangle is what? 180. So, and this side, this length is the same as this length. So this length should supposed to be 45. The angle is 45. This side is supposed to be what? 45. Now, how can we find this angle here? They are parallel to each other, right? And if this side is 45, this side is supposed to be 45. Why? Because they are alternate angles. So it means that alpha is what? 45 degrees. And that is the answer. I hope you got it correct. Thank you for watching, and you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative videos.